Hello guys, it's me Bunny and today we're going to learn addition. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And click the bell icon for more interesting notifications. So let's get started. So first question is 6 plus 4. It's quite normal. So let's try it. So first of all, we are going to make 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. The next one is 8 plus 2. It's a bigger one. So let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's draw 2 more. 1 and 2. So now let's count them all together. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. So next question should be smaller. Oh, it's the easiest one. 4 plus 1. So let's draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now one more. Now let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now next one is 2 plus 3. So let's go. Let's draw 2 lines for 2, 1, 2 and 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 plus 3 is also 5. 3 plus 4. So let's draw 3 lines for 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 more for the digit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe